Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself, Hamza Musab Khan. I am from grade 6.
And I am Yusuf from grade 6. Now we are making a firki with the help of paper. First, mark the lines with pencil and cut with scissors, and then fix the stick with a pin. Now our firki is ready. The firki rotates when we blow air. What makes a firki rotate? It's the wind that makes a firki rotate. The working of a windmill is similar to that of a firki. Wind rotates the wings of the windmill. Windmill can be used to generate electricity. Thank you.
Hence, it shows that windmill goes on wheels.
Jazakallah.